Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to download Zoom app in Laptop 2025. We will go to the link that we left you in the description of the video. There, you will go to the bottom and you must click on the line, Zoom Workplace app, which you see in Download. Then, choose the architecture of your PC. Click there to start downloading the installer. You will click on the downloaded file. Wait for the installation wizard to load all the processes. Click Yes to authorize. When finished, you can allow the automatic update of Zoom. Close the window. Now you are ready to use Zoom on your laptop. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.